Traveling internationally and you're tired of costly roaming charges? Enter Roamless Mobility eSIM, a digital eSIM solution promising pay-as-you-go flexibility, seamless activation, and global coverage. Now let's unpack whether it's worth it. Roamless is a global eSIM provider designed for travelers. You top up a wallet in the app, buy data or calling balance, and use it across 180 to 195 plus destinations. No physical SIMs, no long-term commitments. Plans come in two favors. Fixed data packs valid for 30 days, Roamless Fix, or flexible balance that never expires, Roamless Flex. You get flexibility and no expiry. Only pay for what you use with credit that never expires. It's great for short or sporadic travel. You get wide coverage because it works in 187 to 195 plus countries with major networks, 5G included where available. Starting at $2.45 per gigabyte for fixed or pay-as-you-go. Supports in-app VoIP calls to over 200 destinations and unlimited mobile hotspot use. It works via QR code activation. The app tracks usage and top-up smooth setup and management. And users report impressively quick customer support. However, there's no incoming number. Calls only, via VoIP, no real phone number. It's only fixed or pay-as-you-go, no unlimited data options, and it supports no live chat support. It's only via email and ticket. So is Roamless eSIM worth it? Yes, if you're a savvy traveler who values flexibility, dislikes wasted data, and wants a simple setup with reliable support. Maybe not if you need a voice number plus SMS, live chat support, or unlimited data. Overall, it's a standout choice for budget-conscious nomads and occasional travelers alike.